Well, somebody had her babies today. She's working on it. She's a little hot. It's hot today. And she had them for Amber's birthday. Yes, I put the fan on her. It was 87 when she was having her babies today. She was so hot. So she has her own fan. She's much happier now. Well, I knew she had more in there. Looks like she has 5 now. And she stayed in my little container and she's not panting as much now. And she's happy in there. Yeah, she's got a load of them there. I think she has 6 now. She's a happy baby. So there's the 6 babies. Monkey took her kittens out of the barn when they were little and moved them and hid them. Took a long time, but Jessie found them, or the kids found them, Jessie and Amber. And Jessie was trying to get them to eat and make friends with them because they were wild. Well, she finally decided to bring them in the barn. So there's one. And there's the black one. And the other, the solid red tabby. This one has tuxedo markings. And the black one, I was hoping to show you, the black one has a little white spot on its chest, but we haven't caught that one to see if it's a boy or a girl. Of course, the red tabbies are boys. And the other one's a girl, but I don't see her now. She's hiding. There. She's Minnie Monkey. Hi, baby. Hello, baby. She looks just like Mom. You see, isn't he cute? Hi, baby. Are you going to sleep, huh? Yeah, he's falling asleep. Hi, baby. Here's the family eating. Monkey's hogging the bowl right now. I put some milk in it. But Minnie Monkey's not here. Jet, we call the bone in the back Jet. It is a boy. And then the little tabby with the boots is in the front. And there comes the other little tabby. And yes, cousin Sunny is right here. Want attention. Hi, Sunny. So because I had hens sitting on my nest boxes, they're all out now eating, not getting as many eggs. And we found some in the feed room, so I put a box where all the eggs were. But it didn't really work out as planned because somebody decided it was a good place for kittens. So she moved her kittens into my box I had for the eggs. But anyway, at least she moved them somewhere in the barn still. I'm okay with that. We know where they are. And actually, it's a little bit hard to get to them this way. But where the goats are, you can reach right down in there and pick them up. The goats can see them all the time because it's right there where the goats are. And yeah, that's where she moved her kittens to. So thanks for watching. We'll do some more videos of the babies when they get a little bigger. They're about a week old now. Hi, Star. Did you find a nice box? Yeah, I think she likes my egg box, but that didn't work very well for trying to encourage the hens to lay their eggs in the box for me. But she sure likes it with her babies. Right, Star? Yeah, that's a good place for your babies. So I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day.